today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the Vector Illustrator tool in Canva, which is a fantastic way to create and customize vector graphics, perfect for elevating your design projects with precision and creativity. Let's dive right in by navigating over to your Canva document. This is where we'll be setting up your workspace, so if you haven't already, make sure you've got your project open and ready. Just log into your Canva account and from your dashboard, select the document you want to work on. Now, if you're brand new to this tool or Canva in general, don't worry. We're going to walk through each step together. Once your document is open, look towards the left-hand toolbar. Here, you'll see the Apps option. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing Canva's wide array of integrations and tools. Now, in the search bar, type in Vector Illustrator and hit Enter. This tool is specifically designed for advanced illustration capabilities, which is super handy when you're aiming for clean, scalable graphics. After the search results appear, find and click on Vector Illustrator. Opening this will give you access to a variety of shapes and lines that can be customized to fit your design needs. Now, this is the part where you can really let your creativity shine. You'll see tools to adjust not only the shape of your illustrations, but also border radii, width, height, stroke width, fill color, and stroke color. These features allow you to tailor every aspect of the vector graphics to suit your design vision. If you're aiming for a particular aesthetic or branding, these adjustments can ensure everything aligns nicely. As you're working through these customizations, remember that the benefit of using vector graphics is their scalability. They can be increased or decreased in size without losing quality, making them perfect for both digital and print media. So feel free to experiment with different sizes and enhancements, knowing that your graphics will stay sharp and clear. Once you've made all your desired adjustments, take a moment to review your work. Make sure the colors complement each other and that the overall design aligns with your project goals. This is also a good time to make any final tweaks to ensure everything is just right before you proceed with incorporating these elements into your larger design. And there you have it. You're all set with mastering the Vector Illustrator tool in Canva. With these skills, you're well on your way to creating stunning visuals that can really make your projects stand out. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you continue to design and create in Canva. Happy designing!